guys, welcome back. Now, I want to show you some things that I got in London that are all beauty products. Now, technically this isn't like luxury, but I still feel like beauty and skincare and stuff is really important. And now, as I'm getting older, I'm in my late 30s now. I'm dedicated to being like a vampire for the rest of my life. And by that, what I mean, a vampire is my term for a woman or a man who perpetually looks young. Okay, so I want to be a professional vampire, honey, okay, for the rest of my life. Now, I just like, I haven't put any makeup on. I washed my face because after this like haul video, I'm going to like film my chatty get ready with me that I'm excited about, because we're going to do some hot topics in that. So the chatty get ready with me, this is going to feel very meta. It's going to follow this whole video. Okay, so let me show you the things that I picked up. Everything is linked below. All of this stuff was purchased in the UK. I don't remember the prices, but I'll link the products so that you can see the prices on the links. I picked up this Garnier Garnier Micellar Hyaluronic Aloe Water. It's for dehydrated and sensitive skin. My skin is not sensitive per se, but it's very hot in Tanzania, so I thought that this would be a good thing to add. So I wanted to show you this one. Very excited about using this. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this in the chat to get ready with me. Also picked up this very cool Garnier Organic Time Purifying Perfecting Toner. So I think toners have really been working for me. There's a lot of like chatter about whether like, do toners work? Like, is it worth it and stuff for, you know, you to use toners? I think that they work. Like, I do have patches of my skin that are not even. You can probably see that here. I'm sorry. I'm going to put makeup on in the get ready with me video. But yeah, so pick this one up as well. I'm very excited to use this. Hopefully it works. Now, you know I love press-on nails. I bought these in the UK. These are Kiss. So I bought a backup pair, and they're basically they're the same line as these ones here. They're called Jelly Fantasy by Kiss. Kiss is an American company, but managed to get these in the UK. I cannot find these in Tanzania. So when I saw them, I was very happy. I love press-ons. You know I love press-ons, but I also wear like big H&L. Well, I used to wear big H&L varnish. I think big H&L varnish is overpriced compared to like Dior and Chanel. And probably, to be honest, I think it's just overpriced, but it's fine. But I like wearing press-ons, and then I also like taking a break as well and then just wearing like normal nail varnish as well. So I picked up these ones. Love these. They're very fun and pretty. Okay. I also got this Revolution Mini Chocolate Shadow Palette. It's called Milk Chocolate Ganache. That's such a vibe. Love that. So I got this as well. I'm not one for like eyeshadow, like eye makeup a lot, but I want to just wear eye makeup a little bit more than I have previously. So I picked this up as well. You know, these like chocolate palette bars, they're like really popular. All of these were purchased in Superdrug, by the way, in the UK. For those of you who aren't from the UK, Superdrug is like a really famous like beauty, like high street beauty brand, like high street beauty, like supermarket basically. Has lots of beauty brands in it. And then there's Studio London, okay, and this is a foundation brush. Now I bought some brushes in South Africa, but I saw this one because I know that this style is quite popular for foundation brushes. So I bought this. You'll see me use this in the get ready with me. It's very, very soft. I love that. I love when the bristles are nice and soft, because I think that's like better for your skin. And then I picked up what else did I get? I picked up this blending sponge. So I'll be using this for like makeup and everything. I won't open it because I have to take pictures for my thumbnail. I just remembered. So I better put the foundation brush back. You see what we have to do for our YouTube channels. I literally just remembered now as I'm like opening everything up. And I also got this four-piece eye set by Studio London by Superdrug. This is for eye makeup. So I don't have these brushes at the moment because, like I said, I don't really wear eyeshadow. I'm just going to be wearing it more casually now, just nice and casual. And then the final thing that I picked up is this Carmex lip balm. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care how many like big H lip oils you like. Nothing beats Carmex. I think this is a great base for lip gloss and lipstick. I think it, like, I used to put this under, first I put this on, then put lipstick on or put lip gloss on, and I found that like your lipstick stays on the whole day, I swear, and your like lips are moisturized and they don't crack. I'm not wearing anything, like I said, I'm completely fresh faced in this video. So that is everything that I got, and like I said, it'll be linked below. Now I want to talk to you about what I'm most excited about. Most excited about the toner, because I'm trying to just continue to take care of my skin and kind of like make more of an effort with skincare, because I feel like skincare is really important now, because I want to be a professional vampire. Okay, and if you want to be a professional vampire, you have to invest in things that vampires invest in. Vampires definitely invest in like good skincare. I've just realized here I forgot to buy moisturizer, but that's because when I went to Paris I bought some moisturizer when I was there, but I should have added some moisturizer as well, although of course here there's lots of great moisturizer as well. I wanted to share those beauty and skincare finds with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you literally in the next video, which is my chatty get ready with me.